Oh, hi. I forgot you were coming over. Yeah, nothing much happening now. It's another smoky day. Sure, I went outside and did some stuff, but most of the time I just hang around in my room trying to avoid the smoke and wait for rain. They say the king is trying to make it rain. Some way the king here knows how to do it.